It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
Yes, sir, I know, y'all like retro. You said 3 videos a week. And G ain't come through with it that week, you feel me? And I know, man, I said it, but y'all know, man, this is all fun and games, man. I like doing this for the fun. It's not like I'm out here chasing $1 million off of YouTube, you feel me? I had to work, man. But y'all can see I've been stacking them up, man, and I just, I had to take a little peek at some of them, but stay tuned. I'm gonna do all of these, but I'm gonna start off with this one, man, and then we'll probably move into these tomorrow and the next day. So if you see me wearing the same shirt in a video, that just means I shot all of these today. Now, this one right here is an unexpected W, man, and I had to pick it up because I got it for the retail. Shout out to the bro out there in San Antonio, man. You know what I'm saying? Plug came through on these things, you feel me? And shout out to my cousin, you know what I'm saying? JETBLAKK went and picked them up for me. Y'all seen JETBLAKK inside the video when we did the Air Jordan Retro 6 Travis Scotts. He hit for me this year on that pair right there that came out, and he went and he scooped these up for me, and I'm super happy. It's a unexpected double up, man. Now y'all know I love doubling up on certain shoes, and these right here, man, from the moment I saw this shoe, I wanted it. I had to do something slightly different in order to get this pair, and then to be able, after months of these being released, I got a pair for retail, man. So you know who you is that helped me down for them. JETBLAKK, appreciate you going to pick them up. But y'all, I had to put this one right here because I'm going to tell y'all, I did some, a little something to get that pair, man. And if y'all been watching the channel, y'all know what shoes I picked up recently that was in this box. Now, for these right here, if I had have known that I would have got this shoe, I probably wouldn't have doubled up on it. You know what I'm saying? If I had got it this time from here, I probably wouldn't have doubled up on it. But, however, you know what I'm saying? I was able to get this shoe because they came a little bit later out there in San Antonio. And, boom, y'all see it, man. We got the SHOEPALACE bag. You did. You know what I'm saying? All the way from San Antonio, man. It feel good to see that SHOEPALACE bag, man. I miss going to SHOEPALACE, man. I really love shopping with them. Like the atmosphere, the people that work there was just like, it was a family. So I really huge shouts out to SHOEPALACE, man. I wish they had a SHOEPALACE out here in Washington State. Hey, come on, SHOEPALACE, make something work. But right here, man, y'all see it. We have, I think my cousin probably kept the receipt. No, my cousin put the receipt in the bag, you feel me? Inside the box, my bad. But we have this double up, man. And like I said, if I had hit on these originally, I probably would have doubled up on them. But when I got the chance to double up on this shoe, after getting it in hand, I was just like, yo, G, I got to do it, man, for the retail. Now, this pair right here, y'all already should know what shoe it is. It is, drum roll, please. It is none other than the Seafoam Air Jordan 1 that came out. And this is a woman's release. But when I first saw the shoe, man, I was just like, yo, y'all know me, man. Ooh, these is way better. See, now I'm mad because I don't want to get rid of these. And I already laced these up, man. I took these out. I took the bag off of these and everything. But the toe box on these, yeah, I'm going to have to keep these, G. I ain't gonna end up getting rid of these. The toe box on this pair is so much better than the pair that I got from GOKU. And if y'all remember, I took the utility 12s. I was not feeling those. Normally, if I buy a shoe, I hold on to it if I only got one pair. But I'm trying to be a little bit. I can't really say selective because it's been hard anyway to get sneakers out here. And I really wanted this shoe, so I had bought those. I got those on sale, you know what I'm saying? I used my military discount to get them when they drop, and I made like a $50 profit on the shoe when I sold it to GOKU. And then I was able to pick this pair up, and then being able to get this one for the retail, yo, I'm sorry, G, but I don't think he going nowhere, man. I might have to pull some strings, man. I might have to take the I might have to take the bags off of these and put them back on these, because I've never worn these. I just laced them up, and then I'll just take the laces out of these and put them in these, because these got that butter, boy. Hey, that toe box is nice. I don't know if y'all gonna really be able to peek that, but the toe box is super nice on these right here. And I definitely think that the colorway is just insane. I love the colorway. Y'all did see that I did pick up a jacket from the Nike store, the Nike factory store, should I say, in Centralia, Washington. And then also I found a little cheap outfit, you know what I'm saying, from the Wally World, you feel me? So stay tuned. I'm probably gonna rock these this weekend, man. I'm probably gonna do a little picture or something for the Instagram and everything. But this is the double up, man. Double or nothing on these. And I will say that all the way the shoe looks identical except for that toe box, man. The craftsmanship on these, no glue stains, man. No glue stains on these, man. Look at this beautiful shoe, man. Y'all let me know if y'all pick these up. And I know a lot of people. Alright, y'all, I noticed it, so I gotta go ahead and I gotta lay it down in the video. Slight interruption, but I just wanted to point out these little discrepancies that I noticed. Now, right here, this is the pair that I got from Shoe Palace. This is the pair that I got off of GOKU. Now, the biggest thing that I took away from this in the beginning was just looking at the toe boxes, man. The toe box on this pair, which quality control from Nike, you guys can see this toe box from Shoe Palace, super plush, super nice. Then when you take the pair that we got from GOKU, it's just flat, man. That jump flat. Like, you see what I'm saying? It's like that flat type of toe box right there. And when I say soft, this one's buttery. It's like butter. You can see how they did it. Another thing that I took away was that the colors, man. I feel like these are slightly darker than these. And you know what I'm saying, again, when it comes down to quality control, I feel like Jordan Brand definitely could capitalize and get a whole lot better with that. And maybe that's why they're trying to raise the price to $200 and lower the stock next year. That's a whole nother video, but I just wanted to throw this in there. And this right here, big major hit that I noticed. Do y'all see right here? You can see where it looks like they pushed it too far back, and they realized it and they fixed it on the shoe. And it's not just on the pair that I got from the store from Shoe Palace. It's actually even on the pair that I got from GOKU. It's just a little bit more faint, but let's see. There it is right there. You guys can see it right there. It's on the pair that I got from GOKU as well, and you can see it slightly. I hope that's picking up. You can see it slightly on this part right here, but then it's straight at the top. But yes, man, I wanted to point that out because I noticed that. But you guys can see the colorways. Maybe I'm tripping, but I mean, you know, your boy be having some bad eyes. I do wear glasses, but maybe I'm tripping. But I do feel like, depending how the light hit it, the pair from GOKU is a little bit lighter than the pair that I got from Shoe Palace. But then again, you really can't tell when they down there, you know. But I wanted to point that out to you all, that I noticed those discrepancies. You did? Like I always say, when it comes to the women releases, people be like, yo, leave it for the ladies, da 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 da. But man, look, if you can fit them, rock them, because the women releases have been crushing it, you know what I'm saying, over the last couple of years. But that is today's short video, straight to the point. I wanted to tell you guys about this double up that I got for the retail, man. And I had to get them when the opportunity presented itself, and I was able to get this double up. Sometimes certain double ups you just can't pass up, and this is definitely a colorway that I think that down the line people will wish that they got if they could fit it, or if they wanted it and they missed it. And then you know how it is with Jordan 1s. Prices always go up, G. So you know you can't never hurt having a little trade bait. But you know what I mean. This is definitely a fire sneaker. I'm glad to have this one for the double up in the collection. If I would have had to pay resale for these, I probably want to double up on them. I'm just keeping it a buck with you guys. Normally when I double up, it's because I get it for retail. Yes, it is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, double or nothing when it comes to these seafoams. Definitely a fire colorway. People are going to be mad that they did not pick these up. While the prices are low, I'm telling y'all, this is going to be one of those shoes that's going to creep up in price. It's another shoe that's going to creep up in price that I'm going to be talking about, man. I'm going to show you guys. I'm very, very shocked about it. Like I said, you're probably going to see the next couple of videos, me in the same shirt. Don't worry, you know what I'm saying, all the videos were shot the same day, but I gotta knock them out, man. I gotta get them right so I can edit them all in one day, and then I can start pushing the content out for you guys. Appreciate all the love and support from each and every one of y'all, man. Till the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.